Welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be doing another hair tutorial today. This unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty, so thank you to them for sending this unit out to review. So this is going to be a celebrity 100% virgin human hair HD lace part wig. It is 12 inches. As you can see, there's two combs on top, one comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it has 5 inches worth of parting space. So it's just going to be a lace part wig. So as you can see, the part is kind of a little bit tight. So we are going to just start off by cutting off the lace. Like I said, it's not too much lace. So I just go ahead and cut off the lace, and I cut it as close to the hairline as possible. Unless you just want to go ahead and kind of do like a T kind of part, you can leave some lace. That way you can glue it down on the sides and also in the parting space. But for me, I'm just going to cut off the lace. So that's what it looks like now before we do anything to it. Like I said, the part is closed up a little bit. So I'm just going to take me some heat protecting spray with some wax and my flat iron just to go ahead and kind of lay that hair down flat. That way I can see how much I need to pluck out of the parting space. That heat protecting spray is really not all that great, so I didn't show it, but I did use the Care wax stick. I love this wax stick. It's falling apart, that's why you see me holding it like that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just flatten out that parting space. That way we can see how much to part. So see, once you part it out, flatten it out, it's not too much hair that you have to pluck out. So yeah, I thought it was gonna be a lot, but it really isn't that much hair you gotta pluck out. And as I'm doing this bob only took 20 minutes to install. So this is like a really quick, easy throw on and go kind of unit. And it's a human hair wig. So if you're not into synthetics, then you can try this wig out. Or if you're a beginner and you want a human hair, this ain't nothing but a little lace part unit, so it's not really too much you really have to do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. I am putting that along the parting space. I kind of do it messy, but I clean it up afterwards. And then I'm going to be putting my powder, which is the Maybelline also in the shade 762 Truffle. Whenever you apply concealers, you do want to set those with powders. And then with this being makeup in the parting space, I do set that with my Got to Be Glued freezing spray in a yellow bottle. And it just makes it more skin-like. And then it also helps me clean up that powdery look. So that's what I'm doing right now. So as you see where I'm kind of putting my hand at towards the top, this wig is big head friendly, and so it fits good, but right there in that crown area is kind of a little bit more cap, and that's the only con I have about this unit. And I guess because they did it so that you have a big head, you can go ahead and fit this unit. So just go ahead and flatten it down with your hot comb, just to get it as flat as possible, and it should lay flat. Other than that, I'm just going to go ahead and curl the unit, because y'all did see as it came up the package, it was kind of flipped, so it does have like a bob kind of action. So this is in their natural color. It is going to be like a 12-inch. Like I said, it's Brazilian hair, and on the website it does show that it is on sale for $99, and it is usually $159.99. There is a coupon code on here. It says an extra 20% off, BHM20 for extra 20% off. So girl, go ahead and go try this wig out if you do like bobs. The density on here is very natural, which I do love, because you don't want a bob that has too much hair because it don't look right. But this bob, the density on here is just right. I like it, and from root to tip, as you can see, it looks good and full for the density. So I really like this bob. It looks really nice. It's very simple to put on, and it's not stiff. It's very pretty. So This bob is from Samsbeauty. I will also leave that link down below where you can purchase this bob at. Like I said, this is gonna be a human hair bob, and it's gonna be pretty cheap since you got that coupon, and it's $100 right now. So girl, get on it and grab it. And like I said, that link will be listed down below. And thank you to y'all for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. And thank you also to Samsbeauty for sending me out this unit because it's a cute bob. Okay, stiff wear.